What is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have this gorgeous half wig from Nadula hair. Now you guys know that is my favorite company right now. Like, they have been on it, they have been working back to back with me, and I appreciate them extending offers to collaborate. So I'm really excited to show you guys another wig. So from the title and the picture, I know you guys can see this is a half wig, and it's curly. Now recently I had a U-part wig that was curly from another company, but this one is a different type of curl, and I really like that better because my hair kind of gravitates more towards this curl pattern versus the water wave one that I had. So no issues, you know, as far as that, but this is really cute. So it is a afro curly hair half wig. So the texture is more so like kinky curly, you know, like it looks more of our African American hair texture. So that's probably what I like the most, because you could fool a couple people, be like, baby girl, this is my hair. But I have had my fair share of synthetic wigs that were half wigs and all that, so I was like, yes, I want it, and I made sure I got it in a very natural, reasonable length, nothing crazy, so it could be somewhat, you know, believable. A couple of details on this wig. So it did ship to me in about 3-4 days via FedEx. I can't find the box, but of course the box says Nadula. I think I show it later on in the video. So it has 2 combs, and it does have adjustable straps. I didn't need them. It fit pretty average, no issues, because with a half wig you have to have it on half of your head, so you don't really need it to cover your whole head. The inch I got it in is 20, and when it's, you know, tight and curled, it definitely gives off 20, but stretch maybe more so 22. Now they have a variety of textures: Brazilian, Indian, Malaysian, and Peruvian, and the inches available is 12 through 28. I think 28 will actually be really cute. So anyone interested in that, definitely take a look. So technically what I love the most about this is that it really can be like the trending headband wig that's going on. Like, you can easily pop a headband wig on it, leave some baby hair. You can do a half up, half down. You can do kind of anything. Like, you can wear it under a hat. It's just throw it on and go. Like, that's the perfect wig, and it's the season for, you know, easy wigs. Like, it's fall, curly hair is definitely going to be in. Big curly hair is definitely going to be in. So I thought this was gorgeous and perfect for the season. 'Tis the season. I'm not going to prolong. I try not to, but I do have to get on and say a couple words before I hop into these videos. But enjoy this video. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one.
Alright, you guys, first things first, this is the box that the wig came in, and this is the packaging, packaged very nicely. Almost every collaboration, I don't have an issue with any packaging. So here is the curl pattern, and there are 1 and there is 2, you know, those half wig combs that are really big, so you have a really nice secure install. So what I'm doing is just parting some of my hair. You're gonna have to do this. You don't have to part as much as me, and I probably wish I didn't part as much, but to each his own. And I just thought my hair would take a little bit better than it ended up actually doing, but nevertheless it's still gonna turn out cute, boo. So I'm putting the rest in a ponytail and then a wig cap over that, and that is just to protect that hair and make it easier for me to see, like, you know, where the starting and ending of me installing the wig will be. So I'm sticking those combs inside, and for the most part it fit pretty good. I didn't have any issues. I didn't have to use the adjustable straps, but personally I would probably go ahead and just sew 2 little combs on the sides for a more tighter, snug fit. Now we are moving on to this process, and I do not like it because my hair is very damaged. Like, I damaged it by flat ironing it too much, so please disregard how it looks. I know it isn't the best, but I'm gonna try to work with it. So you guys are gonna see me work with it, and then I'm gonna give up and I'm gonna finish off camera. And I'm going to tell you guys really quickly off camera, I just was adding eco style and it helped a little bit, but I feel like if I would have wet all of my hair firstly and parted, it probably would have blended better. My curls aren't there like they were before, but they are still there. So this is perfect if you have really nice curly hair. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna hop back on to continue telling you guys. So it's not the best. You can still see my visible heat damage, but this is how my hair is looking after playing with it off camera. And I learned if I kind of like twirl the hair, you know, with the half wig hair, it'll blend and look really good. So as you guys can see, I ended up making a side part, and then I'm just popping in some baby hairs, and that is literally it. Oh wait, no it's not. Sorry. So I'm taking some Eco Gel and I'm just trying to flat out the top. So I'm gonna brush it, apply a scarf for 10 minutes, and then that is absolutely all that I did. Besides spraying a little bit of water in it to make it, you know, blend. That's pretty much it. This is a really quick, easy install. It looked really good after, I think. The only thing I don't like is my hair. It just wasn't taking, but the average person with naturally curly hair, they don't have heat damage unless, you know, they took that route and flat ironed their hair to the extreme. But it's still cute, it's affordable, and I think it looks really natural. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to Nadula Hair. All links will be in the description. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one.
Alright you guys, so really quickly I am going to show you guys how you can wear this wig with headbands without really taking any of your hair out. So this is the same wig, y'all. No water or anything because I kind of like the springy natural look. So basically you have the comb, so you stick that in and you stick the one in the back, and you can just switch it up with different headbands. I'll try to do a couple different hairstyles, but let's hop into this.